Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius, if you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or confusions, you can watch the pick a card love reading, the fairy tale pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards, guys, for your general reading. We have the moon and nine of suns in reverse and the devil in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, and today you may see some kind of something telling you to do certain things, some impulses or some instincts telling you what you need to do. Maybe for some of you, you just want to go out or you just want to play outside, maybe take up some hobbies, go for some activities, something telling you to take up something guiding you. Maybe your intuition is at its peak when you are making some choices or some decisions, something telling you what you need to do today, guys. Some kind of intuition you may see, some influences in your career situation or personal life situation. And for some of you, you may see or get some answers in your dreams. Maybe you were thinking of some circumstance unfolding in your life, you were really stressed because of that, but through your dreams you may know what you need to do, guys. Something giving you the answers today, guys, Sagittarius. And I also see that you are throwing away all that negative things you have. Maybe for some of you, it may be some bad habits you have, some addictions, or some habits, something really stressing your health, causing lot of troubles in your health, or maybe your thought process, maybe negative thoughts, whatever you have. You are changing all that, giving up all that, releasing yourself from negativity, and you are proceeding in a positive way. So this may be your energy, or this person you love, it may be their energy, guys. Maybe they want to give up their negative thoughts and come back to this love, to this connection with much what to say, get more involved with better, more involved, more committed, and they want to make this relationship work, maybe. So they are really realizing the worth of this connection, some kind of something like a realization or awakening is what I see, guys, with these cards. And maybe they have realized your worth and they are coming back and they want to make things work for between you both in this love, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Judgment in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in this love, in this connection, maybe for some of you, you don't know what to decide. Maybe they have come back after a break, or they have spoken some things which is really hurting you. You have not forgotten the past. So you don't know what you need to do, or you don't see clarity. You don't know what is your decision today. And maybe for some of you, you are being too, what to say, criticizing their actions, or they are criticizing your actions. You want to say sorry, reconcile maybe, but they are criticizing, or this may be your energy towards them, guys. So something is preventing your movement, forward movement, or moving to that next step. Maybe you want to go for a breakup, or you want to reconcile. Whatever it is, you are not taking the next step, you are just feeling stuck. So that is the energy, guys. With this card, let's see what is the card for your career situation, Sagittarius. We have Alchemist of Spheres. So with this card in your career situation, guys, in this in your career, you have that creativity, experience, knowledge, and you are someone who has that courage, strength, and determination. So what I said is enough to see that you are going to be successful in life, guys, in your career. Maybe you, if you are not seeing success now, you are going to see success very soon, guys. So that is the reading for your Sagittarius. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes, and meditate with these crystals. So whichever crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth, or someone is speaking the plain truth without any what to say, without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, in the plain truth. And you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth, because a truth is always bitter. And maybe this person is honest, they have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of what to say, anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished. But in the long term, this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth, and they will understand the worth of your love. And the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. Your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone. Maybe they have true love towards us and they have truthful intentions towards us and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears or whatever maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of a possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.